So, is this what you put on, or
Yes.
when you bought it? You
No.
put on.
I put that on.
I like it.
Yeah, because I thought when I first started that all I was going to do was hang out at the beach.
She's got the 5,000 BTU. Did you put this in?
Me and my husband put it in.
All right.
My husband and
I don't know. With me, it's me, myself, and I. And we do pretty bad together, all three of us. Okay. So what year is this again?
I. This is 2003.
2003. You get good gas mileage.
Yeah, it's not bad.
15, that's good. Regina, we are in your, what are we in?
It's a 2003 Ford E250 van.
I'm sorry, I have to back up.
You're fine.
Back it up. I am so professional at this. Okay, now we gain entrance. We're going to gain entrance into the palace,
Yes,
the cool palace.
the cool palace. That
Okay.
is 76 degrees in here.
Oh, I'm coming to shut the door.
Can you reach it? Watch
Yeah.
your head. Everybody likes to hit their head. It is kind of low.
Okay.
See, it's 76 degrees in here.
Oh my.
And I've had the door open and back and forth.
As I said, what we're going to do is you have, there's probably a
5,000 watt BTU
Yeah.
house air conditioner.
and so mine is a roll one, and we'll find out which has the best insulation, because they should function the same,
Right.
with the same temperature. I lay you money, you hands out, you win, but not yet. Not yet.
No.
All right, so show me this ice maker.
Right here. And it makes enough ice. I've given Kim ice, and looky here. It keeps ice in there.
Are
And
you kidding me?
No. No, look at how cold it keeps that.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'm being rude.
You're not rude. You're good.
Oh.
Yeah, put it on your face,
On my face.
and just don't fall.
Okay.
But yeah. That's cool.
May we talk about your man?
Yeah, you can talk about it.
Well, you need to talk about it.
All right. Well, it's
I'll ask questions as we go, because
Okay.
that's who I am.
it's a mess right now because
I
I
know,
just
this
was
is
doing
live.
stuff. And I don't. That's what I gotta tell everybody. I live in it.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for fancy and all that, you're in the
Uh-huh.
wrong spot. I live in mine. Well, you know, when I'm out,
All right, follow your dreams.
Mhm.
Love that.
Meemaw's kitchen.
And yeah. Oh,
This-
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. You have to put those on.
There's.
I mean,
that's-
you know,
this
this
was
is a
for me.
specialty.
This was. Wait on. This was mine, Charlotte, and Helen, and them.
I saw that
Yes,
video.
yes.
Take those off. That's wasn't my video. Keep on going.
Yes. So, but anyway, that's my bed. It actually can turn into a table and chairs, but I don't do it. I leave it as a bed because it's just too much of a hassle.
Can I touch something?
Yes.
So you're at 76 degrees, and you
Yes.
don't have insulation
No.
on
Not-
the walls?
No, not really. Just this. Pretty much just this. There's a little bit, not much. Not even enough to say. And see, this is how the.
Do you have insulation underneath that?
There's a little bit. When I tell you it's a little bit, it's a little bit. It's what came with the van. It's about like what this is.
Wow.
And see, this right here didn't have this when I got the van. She
Okay.
had done it different.
Uh-huh.
So, because she had it up like this and then some
Who's
other
she?
stuff. Her name is Stormy, and she has her own channel. If it wouldn't be for her, I wouldn't be in van life.
Hello,
That's the
Stormy.
truth.
Okay.
So, but
All
I
right,
mean,
so
I
let's-
have my
let's-
potty there.
All right, let's see. Wait, I'm going to go stay on the top. So
You're
that's
good.
your light.
And I have little lights like this all around, so that if I don't want to turn on my big lights,
Uh-huh.
that I just turn on them little ones for, at nighttime when I'm here by myself. By
Okay.
myself, like if I've got 50 people. I'm
Oh, I love
sorry.
your laugh.
Well, I'm just normal.
May I
And,
sit on this?
Yes. Yeah, you just get to sit on this end of it because it'll hit that fan.
I'm not going to tell you the weight I'm
Here,
placing
take
down.
this.
Oh my God! Did you see? Did you hear that? She's
Here, I will sit here, and that way we can do it. But like I said, you see, I got little lights everywhere, and see, this is my little Timu fun. I love this light. It's supposed to be like those lights.
Oh, these up here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna do it that way. I like leaving it one big light like that. so that I have more light in one spot.
Is that on USB or battery?
No, it's battery.
Okay.
So, but yeah, it's battery.
Yeah,
That's the
I
only
ripped
thing.
my batteries out, so I've got to get something back in.
Yeah, so that's nice. Let's turn that on. Gives it a little bit more brightness. But yeah, of course, I got a TV. Can't leave home without a TV. I use my hotspot to
Not
watch
only
it.
does she have a TV, she's got a sound bar, folks.
Yeah, with my salt and pepper. Then I have a little mirror right here that I get dressed with, and that's the name of my channel right there.
This is not that's not a mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was an iPad.
No. Isn't that cool? There you look at that beautiful, beautiful person.
Look at the red heat. Okay.
Why you think I'm not sitting in front of it?
Oh.
And yeah. But,
Now I
yeah.
tried this my first van make, and these were sliding out.
I have these little bungee cords that I put up there, and that keeps.
Oh,
them
you
from
put them up
sliding out.
there?
Yeah, I put them up there.
And then the bungee there.
See,
Okay.
I take these off when I'm traveling. These bags here, but while I'm here, I leave them like that so they can do it. You don't want to know what these are. They're bra straps.
That is ingenious.
They're bra straps.
Take the credit, woman. So this is your kitchen.
Yes.
You got your water.
Yeah, that's extra water for my ice.
Okay.
I have water up underneath there plus a bunch
Can I-
of other.
can
I don't mind. It's just
All right.
junky. I don't mind.
Doop, 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 doop,
Yeah, see,
doop,
I got
doop,
water
doop.
down there.
Oh, okay.
I have a
Oh, that's huge.
I have a 4-gallon hot water heater.
And love to see that you have something to protect yourself from fire.
Yes.
And let me just drop everything
That's
out.
all right. And see over here.
What a guest am I?
You're good. And then
another
I have
light?
see, I have that's my gray water tank.
Oh,
There's the
okay. So
hot
you've
water.
really got it pulled together. What is this?
That's the water.
Oh my God! You don't know what just happened, folks. Oh my God! Nobody's gonna let me do. And we're sideways. We're upside down, and I'm leaving this in.
Look, no, that's to me. That's the best of it.
That in.
No,
Okay.
that's funny.
After I cleaned up, trash can right here.
there. Yeah.
All right. I'm scared. Be very scared. Tell your friends. Do not let Diane do a van tour. Oh, 1,000?
Yes.
That's a small unit.
Mm-hmm.
That is super small. What is this thing?
That's a gray cell.
How long have you had it?
About a month and a half, and it's really good. It's really good.
Really good, meaning does it charge up real fast?
Yes, it does. It does. And see on top there, you can put your phone on there, and it'll charge it.
Wow.
Yes.
Now, is it one of these things, is it just a regular 100 watt will charge it?
Yes. Well, there's a 100-watt one right there.
Okay, so that is your solar panel.
Yeah, I have two 100 watts, and that's a 30 watt up there.
But this will take a 100 watt, so
yes.
it's like a...
It'll actually take 200
So it's
watts
like
if you
12
connect-
amp or something.
Yeah.
I got, mine was 1,500, but I have to put serial cable and blah, 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 which my ceiling is parallel, and this is just too much information, and it's a pain in the butt, so I plug it in when I'm driving and let it be.
Right.
Well, is there, ooh, I found a cubby hole.
Oh, that's okay. It's got pots and pans. You can open it.
I'm scared to open it.
You can. It's just got skillets and pots and pans. Right there. See that little thing? Yeah, flip it that way.
Okay. I hope you saw the water spill. I hope we
That's
didn't. I mean,
And it's
well,
just
that's
got
so
pots
well
and
organized.
pans. Oh, please, if you've seen my house, you would say, how in the heck?
Oh, moving up.
Yep. So,
Okay, you've got a carbon monoxide detector
yes,
there.
and I have a smoke
And
detector
a smoke
there.
detector there.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, that's.
And
I have a little oven up there that's
An
got
oven.
the two burners on top and an oven, but I brought it, but I haven't been able to set it out because of the rain. So
Have you had? I just got here, so a lot of rain.
yeah.
Oh, I better get my top up then.
Yeah, you better.
Okay,
Because we
so
had some rain a while ago.
what is this thing here? What are these blue lights?
Oh, these are just for the
I didn't
lights.
mean forget
no,
that.
that's
I mean,
okay.
no, great spirit.
This is just the lights.
Oh.
And then that's the USB, and then there's another one.
Oh, very
Yeah.
sweet.
These are the only two that's not connected
And
to nothing yet.
this thing here,
That is a battery charger.
do you use it?
I do. Because I have a battery right down there that will run this 2,000 watt. But I don't ever use it. I got it just in case.
Well, so is this a 12-volt refrigerator then?
No, it's just a regular refrigerator.
Well, then didn't I think you'd be using that to translate the 12-volt?
No, it goes in, I plug it in here, and it plugs into my van.
Okay.
You know, I have had no problem with my little refrigerator. I mean, I don't care.
Oh, those things are really handy, huh?
Yeah.
The clips?
Yeah, I put the clips on it to keep, because if not, the refrigerator will fly open, and then I got my,
okay.
yeah.
What I did,
they're just safety latches to keep kids out of stuff.
and I saw you.
And I have one over here too.
Okay, I bought a $25 something, and you have to understand what I'm describing. You put clothes in it. In the old days, what do you call that thing?
Yeah.
Dresser.
Dresser. Yeah.
So I wanted to replace my counter, not the counter, but the drawers, and I had to figure something out, and you have just shown me how to do it.
Now, I'll tell you, on this cabinet, I actually put a screw in mine. I glued it, but I also put a screw on the side because I was afraid it might come loose. Yeah.
Oh, and this is a regular sink.
Yeah, it's got hot and cold running water. Oh, I know.
Where's your hot water tank?
Right here. See, it's right there next to this. There it is, right there.
Oh, that's what I was pointing at. That.
Yeah.
That is the hot water tank.
Yes. And this is the plug.
How does this sucker work? I mean, how does this thing, being very professional, how does that work?
So I plug this in when I want to use it.
Okay.
But I don't plug it in. I don't keep it plugged in because when the hot water heater, and it don't take it long to warm up.
So let me.
So then,
oops. I'm sorry, my audience are they're now drunk or on the floor because I've gotten them too dizzy.
Okay, now let me show you this. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't have it on.
Don't turn it on.
See, it's got a shower, and this will go all the way out the door. And then when I want to use that, I just take this and turn it, and it turns my shower.
So the heaters that I've seen work off propane.
No, this one.
And this one works off electricity.
Yes. Now, if I was off the grid, I couldn't use it unless, I had a generator. Now, it will work. I have a 2,000 watt generator, and it will work on a 2,000 watt generator.
Oh, okay.
So
all right.
I have a
Honda
propane generator, right?
Really?
Is it propane? What do you cook? I always say it wrong. What do you cook when you have a grill?
Oh, she's asking me a question. I'm in big trouble.
Yeah, so I told y'all I'm not great at this either. But when when you're cooking outside,
I think you just did a put down on me.
No.
Didn't she just put a put down? I think she did.
No,
just because I spilled things on her floor. Okay.
No, not me. But yeah, it's
we're gonna call it whatever.
Yeah, I cannot think. Is it butane or is it?
Well,
propane.
Propane. Okay.
Propane. I'm sorry.
In fact, you said don't
I
sorry.
did.
Don't you
Yeah.
say you're sorry?
Well, I just meant I realized what it was. So anyhow,
I think you said propane first, and we were just throwing you off.
Yeah.
We were throwing you a curveball.
That's right.
I got to get my dog so you can throw some curveballs. All right. So
Yes,
what are these things?
They're lights. Push it right there on the side.
Oh my God, they're bright too.
Yes. There's
Ooh,
one
they're
thing-
brighter.
Yeah.
All right, one more time.
Yes.
Okay. My gosh,
Yes. I love
this
it.
this
up
is
front there
fabulous.
that covers the front.
Yeah.
That is an 18-wheeler truck window cover. It'll actually cover the driver's door, the passenger door, and the front. But I double it up on the front so that it's more insulation. And then I just made those on the side. And then I have another one that and then
I know you have curtains here.
yeah.
Oh,
I actually got that at Lowe's, that curtain.
Uh-huh.
And it actually goes on a curtain rod, and it'll go all the way across.
I see the rod.
Yeah, it'll go all the way across. So
And you just put it into.
Yeah, I just kind of.
I think I can do that on my van.
Yeah. So.
I brought my
and
van.
and you know what her name is, and you're gonna laugh. Her name is Old Girl.
This baby?
Mm-hmm. I'll say
not
me and the
old
old
gal.
girl. No, it's old girl. That's why I said you're gonna laugh, because I'll say me and the old girl heading down the street. Me and the old girl will go in here. All right, let me see where me and the old girl going.
Mine's
So-
called Rockies because rocking and rolling down
Right.
down the road, and this is fabulous. Now, if I miss anything, am I invited back? Am I invited back into your home?
Always.
Because we're going to check ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do a temperature test once I get mine down, a little cool. We're going to test my temp, test her temp, and it's all insulation because these two have to be rocking this at the same. Although mine wheels and yours is.
But yours is a little taller now, right? And yours a high top.
No, it's not a high top, but it's it's not even a medium top.
Oh, I thought it was.
No, it's a 5'3" person can stand in it.
Oh, okay.
So whatever it's called,
stand.
I call it the 5'3".
Well, I can stand, but I always tell everybody this is when I stand. I gotta me in this cup.
Oh, good, you did it too. I am not the only one. All right.
But anyway, I stand. I have to bend my head up.
Well, I'll invite.
normally
I'll
just
invite
walk.
you into mine rather than you just
Okay.
watching the video.
Okay.
But what you saw yesterday is what it is today.
Okay.
Which means I need a lot of help.
Yeah.
And I brought the tools.
Woo!
Say say bye.
Bye bye.
And bye. As I was backing up. As I was exiting, look what we found. All these hidden details. Sweet.
I'm sorry. Forgot. Oh.
Now you've locked me in.
She can't leave.
Okay.
She's got to mop the whole floor.
Well, I like this tent cover.
Yeah.
So where do you do all your storage stuff? You got a lot of stuff in there. Is this your tent?
Yes.
Where do you
I put
stick
it
it?
in its
I mean, where
case.
do you put it?
Where do I stick it? When I close it down, I put it on my bed at the back, and it's half that size.
Oh,
when
okay.
you're closing it up. And I just put it on the end of my bed. That way, if I'm traveling and I still need to lay down, I can lay down. Because
Alright.
I'd like to stop at a truck stop if I don't feel like I can go the whole way and take a nap.
All right.